Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well. I am also fine. I am Saiful Islam, faculty member of the department, Hazimul Zahid College of Education. Dear student, I am a course teacher of taxation in BD. This is my 7th lecture on taxation in Bangladesh, but second lecture of calculation of total income from house property. Dear students, today's my lecture topic is income from house property. Last class I discussed how to we will prepare income from house property, and I will mention the rules of income from house property. Dear student, at first we know that we should draw a table for income from house property, and this is the specimen of table. At first, source of income and particulars, then 3 columns of taka, and taka. Dear student, look at the blackboard. This is the solution of problem 16. Student, at first I would like to read the question. Mr. Khaled has a house at Mohammedpur in Dhaka. Half of the house is let out of Taka 40,000 per month, and other half is used for his own residence. আমি একটু বাংলা বুঝিয়ে বলি, মিস্টার খালেকের ঢাকার মোহাম্মদপুরে একটি বাসা আছে। ওই পাহাড়া তিনি প্রতি মাসে 40,000 টাকা অর্ধেক ভাড়া, অর্থাৎ পাহাড়ার অর্ধেক তিনি 40,000 টাকা ভাড়া দেন, আর বাকি অর্ধেকে তিনি বসবাস করেন। দ্য মিউনিসিপাল ভ্যালু অফ দ্য হাউস ইজ টাকা 8 লাখ। ওই বাসাটার পৌর মূল্য হচ্ছে 8 লক্ষ টাকা। তারপর এক্সপেন্স অফ দ্য হাউস ফর দ্য ইয়ার, ওই বছরের যে খরচগুলো সেগুলো নিম্নরূপ: ল্যান্ড ডেভেলপমেন্ট ট্যাক্স 6,000, দিস ইজ পার ইয়ার; মিউনিসিপাল ট্যাক্স 14,000, রিপেয়ারিং কস্ট 18,000, কালেকশন চার্জ 3,000, ইন্টারেস্ট অন হাউস বিল্ডিং ফিনান্স কর্পোরেশন টাকা 60,000. দ্য হাউস রিমেইন ভ্যাকেন্ট ফর 2 মান্থস ডিউরিং দ্য ইয়ার। অর্থাৎ এই কথা হচ্ছে যে ওই বাসস্থানটা 2 মাস খালি ছিল, অর্থাৎ বাসা ভাড়া 2 মাস বাসা ভাড়া ছিল না। Determine income from house property of Mr. Khaled for the income year 2014 and 2015. Dear student, look at the blackboard. This is the solution of problem 16. At first, SSC, that means Kolkata, Mr. Khaled, income year 2014 and 2015. Assessment year will be next year of income year. That means 2015 and 2016. Source of income and particulars, taka and taka. At first, income from house property, section 24. Dear student, you will be know that you will must be write here section. Income from house property section is 24. At first, actual rental value given in the question that per month rental value is 40,000. So yearly rental value will be 40,000 into 12, that means 4,80,000. And given in the question, municipal value is 8 lakh divided by 2, that means 4 lakh. Why we will divide by 2? Because total house is not for rent, it's half for rent, so it will divide by 2 and 4 lakh. We know that from income from house property, actual value and municipal value figures, we will write higher value. Here higher value is 4,80,000. So we will write here 4,80,000. I will mention here which is higher. Then we will deduct all allowable expense which is include income from house property. Given in the question, land development tax, municipal tax, interest on house building finance, bracket allowance. Dear student, you can ask me that why I will divide by all are divided by 2. Because given in the question, the house is half for let out and half is used. So total expense will be divided by 2. So land development tax 6,000 divided by 2, municipal tax 14,000 divided by 2, interest on housing finance 60,000 divided by 2. Now vacant allowance. Vacant allowance. How to we will calculation vacant allowance? Given in the question, vacant allowance is 2 months. At first, 4,80,000 total rent divided by 12. We know that 1 year is 12 months. So divided by 12. And given in the question, vacant is 2 months. So into 2. That means vacant allowance will be 80,000. Dear student, I discussed land development tax, municipal tax, interest on house building finance, vacant allowance, and these are given in the question. But at first, repair and maintenance cost. Even though I do not discuss this is given in the question. Repairing cost 80,000, but here I have written here 1,20,000, and I have also written 4,80,000 into 25%. How to? Dear student, repair and maintenance expense given in the question or not given in the question, you will know that you will must write repair and maintenance expense. If it is not given in the question, you will must write repair and maintenance expense. But how to you will calculation it? You will calculation the following way. This is rental value, and you will calculation 25%. Repair and maintenance 25% on higher value. But sometimes it will be 30%. When? Dear student, when you will rent your house for residents, then it will be 25%. But when you will rent your residence for commercial purpose, then it will be 30%. This is the fraction. Given in the question, the house is used for residential, not for commercial. So it will be 25%. By the way, here total expense is 2,40,000, and income from house property is 4,80,000. We will deduct income and 2,40,000 from 4,80,000. Then the final result will be 2,40,000, and it is actual total income from house property. Dear student, actually this is the real formula or real method of income from house property. At first income, then we will deduct some allowable expense which are related in the income from house property. Income from house property, always section will be 24. Dear student, it is the solution of problem 16. Inshallah, I will give you question of problem 16 and solution of problem 16 is already I have delivered it towards you. Dear students, thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum.